Hi, welcome to mycutetoons with Jock. Today we're going to draw an island boy, so follow along with me. First we're going to start with the eyes, so we're going to draw two big round eyes like so, and another eye like that. Good. We're going to draw a small little line and another line there. And then again a little line like so. Alright, then we're gonna make, like we do in mycutetoons, we always draw eyes like this. There we go. And then we're gonna color it in. Perfect. Perfect, absolutely perfect. Now we're gonna start with the nose. Small little nose right there close to the eyes, and a big smile. Yeah, good. And from here we're going to draw the little chin like so. And now for our island boy, we're going to draw his jaw. So the jaw is going to go out like this and it's going to go in like that. And on this side we're going to do exactly the same. It's going to go out and it's going to go in. And then I want us to draw a little ear and another little ear there. Good. And now for the eyebrows. So we're going to draw an eyebrow like so here, and another one here. Good. And now let's start with the hair. So there's 1, 2, 3 lines, and the ear can go around the ear like that. Okay, good. And we're going to do the same here. We're going to bring it down 1, and we're going to bring down 2, and we're going to curl it around the ear. And then from there we can just draw a little bit of a sideburn here. Yeah, that's good. Good. And now I want us to draw the shoulders. So right there and right there, 2 little shoulders. And now for the hair. So let's do the top of the head now. We're gonna draw a little line like that, and we're gonna go all around like so, and we're gonna draw here like that. On this side the same thing, and we're gonna go down and yet another way down, and like so. There's the hair. From here let's draw the hands. So we're going to draw a little hand here. Just follow along with me like so. There's a hand, and on this side I don't know, let's maybe our little man can hold something in his hand. So maybe let's draw a little hand like so, and it comes down like that. Okay, so we're gonna finish up with it a bit later. So from here we're gonna draw the little arm, go like that, and from here we're gonna draw it up and like that. Good, perfect. And from here we can just gonna draw the arm like so, and we're gonna just return it like that. Okay, that's perfect. And now we can just make a little mark like so, and we can draw the belly. Good. Maybe a big belly for our little island man or little island boy. There we go. Good. Now what are we going to do? Well, I think let's draw just a little rope following that through like so, and then I think we must draw some reeds or something for a, what do you think? There we go. And then we're just gonna zigzag it till it's there. Great, I think that looks perfect. And now I want us to draw the feet. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna draw the big toe, and then we're gonna draw a little toe and a smaller toe. Yeah, maybe our little island man will have 3 toes. What do you think? And a smaller toe. There we go. Oh, perfect. I think it's perfect. And shoes, of course. There we go. There's shoes. And this side as well. Shoes. Perfect. I'm gonna go up there. And a little stand like that. Just to keep the shoes to his feet so it won't fall off. Perfect. That's absolutely perfect. I think it's great. Now, just make a little mark like there, like that. And now we're gonna draw the legs. So we're gonna draw the calves of our little island man and the top of the legs. There we go, there's one leg. And then here's the other leg. So we're gonna go up like so, and we're gonna go there. And this we're gonna bring down and there. There we go, and there's the legs. Perfect. I think it's perfect. What do you think? And now, well, our little man must hold something in his hands. So maybe we can draw a little sort of a stick going down all the way behind his leg here as well. And we can maybe just go through and give you maybe somewhere in the sand behind him. And we're gonna give it some shapes. I think it can be maybe some sort of a spear. What do you think? A spear for fishing. That can maybe work. So let's do that. A little fishing spear. Alright, so a fishing spear, how does it look? We're first going to draw a little line down like so and like so. And you're going to bring it up with a little bit, there's a little bit of damage on the spear because it might be a little bit old. Perfect. There we go, and it goes back like that. And there we have a little spear. Our little man has a spear. Alright, and then we're gonna just connect the arm. Good. And there we connected the arm, and we can maybe draw a little part of his chest and a little navel button. What do you think? There we go. Well, I think this little guy looks absolutely perfect. But let's draw maybe a little rope around his arm. I don't know what it have. Maybe with a little, I don't know, maybe a little rope. And let's just see what else. And another piece of rope going down like this. Good. Perfect. I think this little man looks absolutely perfect. What do you think? Let's draw 2 lines there as well. Great. And maybe something around his neck. Maybe some sort of, let's make it a little, I don't know, make it a little star maybe. What do you think? There we go, there's a little star around his neck, like so. So yeah, there's our little island boy. What do you think? I think he looks great. So what you can do now, you can get some coloring pencils or markers or crayon, and you can color this little man in the colors you like and make it absolutely beautiful. Thank you for drawing with me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. I'll see you again soon.